Hello everyone, welcome to Divane EAC and GATE. So today we are going to discuss about the solution of test number 8, which is based on welding. So those who don't know me, I am Chandan Sharma, okay, and you must have seen my videos on production. So I am Chandan Sharma and I have secured All India Rank 3 in Engineering Services 2019. Okay, so this is my introduction, small introduction. So let's start with the question number 1. Question 1 to question 15 is 1 marks and negative is 1/3. Okay, and then 16 to 30 is of 2 marks and negative is also 1/3. So here in marks it is 2/3 marks. Okay, so the first question is pinch effect in welding is the result of. So if you have read it carefully, so it is electromagnetic force, not electrical force, and these two are means out of the box. So the answer is C. Resistance welding is used to weld. Resistance welding, if you have seen the car, okay, so in car you have spot weldings, okay, so spot welding is there. Radiator body is also welded by the or formed by the seam welding. It is perfectly by the seam welding. So yeah, it is a type of resistance welding. Then joining of threaded screw and nut to sheet is also done by resistance welding. So all of the above. Okay, so for the answer 2 is D. Third, in plasma arc welding, okay, so arc welding DCRP is used. DCRP means direct current reverse polarity. In direct current reverse polarity, electrode is positive. If electrode is positive means 2/3 of heat generation is on the electrode. So more heat is generated on electrode, so there is a chance of erosion, or we are using non-consumable. In plasma arc we are using non-consumable electrode, right? That is of mainly of tungsten or other, maybe of cadmium. So I don't know about cadmium, sorry. So tungsten is there, and so you don't want more heat generation on the electrode, okay, so that is wrong. Vacuum is required for the plasma arc welding, no. Low melting point material is welded, no. Plasma, in a plasma arc welding the temperature generation is around 10,000 degrees Celsius, okay, it's approximately. So the correct answer is B, non consumable electrode is used, right? Then fourth one is, this is a very big question, but the solution is of only 2 lines. If you read it carefully, in arc welding of a butt joint, the welding speed is to be selected such that highest cooling rate is achieved, melting efficiency and heat transfer efficiency is given, the area of the weld of the cross section given, and unit energy required to melt the metal is this. If the welding power is 2 kilowatt, the welding speed in mm is. So first of all, what is the heat requirement? Heat requirement is सबसे first volume. So volume is area into velocity, that you have to find. Then heat required, that is 10, and then this is the heat requirement, but melting efficiency is of 0.5, so divided by 0.5, right, and equals to what the heat input. So heat input is welding power is 2000, so 2000 watt in watt. And one more thing, there is a heat transfer efficiency, so multiply by 0.7. if you calculate it, then you will find that the V will come out as 14 mm per sorry, my writing is very bad, 14 mm per second. So the answer is B. Fifth, maximum temperature will be produced in, if you see in this, so maximum will be in plasma arc welding, then TIG welding, then resistance, oh sorry, plasma arc welding, then TIG welding. Plasma means plasma arc welding, that is option C. TIG welding, then resistance welding, that is resistance welding, and then gas welding. Okay, so the answer is C. Single V and single U butt weld are used for sheets of thickness. If you don't know the answer of this question, so don't worry, this type of question will be not asked in GATE, okay, but in EAC it may be asked, and the chances is 1 to 5%, okay, because this is very absurd question. This type of question is asked in SSC, okay. So the correct answer is for the sixth is I think B1, okay. So answer is B, 5 to 15 mm. Either here it is single V and single U. If you say double V and W, so the answer will be more than 15. So the answer will be here is 15 to 25 for the double, but for single V it is B. The metal having good weldability is in descending order is, so if you know the weldability depends upon percentage of carbon. As carbon percentage increases, weldability decreases. Okay, so first of all you should know the composition or at least the carbon percentage of all cast iron, cast steel, iron, carbon steel and cast iron. So go through that. So the answer is A. If you want to know the percentage for cast steel, 0.1 to 0.5 percentage, in carbon steel 0.3 to 1.7%, here it is 2.5 to 4%, here it is between 0.5 to 1%. So this is not iron, exactly iron. Okay, um, if you search, means here if you compare the iron, carbon steel is having less uh, percentage of carbon. Here iron means not the pure iron, because you cannot use pure iron, right? So you should know the term. Now the eighth question is, which of the following is an example of plastic welding? So plastic means the deformation will not happen in this and this. We are doing deformation in forced welding. Okay, first we increase the temperature, then we put the two surface like this, and then we hammer from here, so that they will get welded or they will get attached. So the answer is C. Forged welding is generally, if you have seen in the agriculture purpose in rural areas, so there they are using this kind of method. Okay, in the ninth question, which of the following welding process is used for welding of sheet metal in automobile and aircraft industry? So I have already told you, in automobile, if you just know the automobile, so resistance welding, in that it is spot welding is used. Okay, so the answer is resistance welding. Automobile and aircraft industries in both common, there are lot of, maybe shield metal arc welding is used, maybe this and this is used, maybe, but resistance welding is used for welding the body. So yeah, the answer is D. Repair work of cutting tool and die is done by. Okay, so whenever you see the cutting tool and die, the answer is always hydrogen welding. Okay, don't go for the thermit welding or ultrasonic or friction welding. If you see the cutting tool and die, just take the hydrogen welding. Then question number 11. Okay, so true statement regarding the thermit welding. Ratio of iron oxide and aluminum by mass is yes, this is right. Thermit mixture is heated using magnesium rod and cracker, this is also right. So this is all of the above, the answer is all of the above. Formation of aluminum oxide is reaction, sorry, here formation of aluminum oxide in reaction protect the weld from atmosphere. Okay, so protect the weld from atmosphere, right? The aluminum oxide that is formed is having less density than the pure iron. So if thermit welding is used to join the railway blocks or rails, so if here is the iron, this is iron, so aluminum oxide will be at here because density is less, so it is act as a protector from the atmosphere. Okay, so this is also right. So the answer of 11th is D. 12. Weld crack formation is in weld is due to, first of all, weld crack formation is depend upon or happens due to non-uniform internal stress. Whenever the crack is generated, it is due to the non-uniform internal stress. So the answer is D. Okay, so the 12 answer is D. 13. Weldability of a material depend upon, if you read it carefully, the first one is right, thermal conductivity. Okay, orientation of weld, electrical conductivity, no. 14. Which of the following is a solid state welding? So solid state welding, so thermit welding is not a solid state welding, soldering is solid liquid welding, resistance welding is also liquid welding. So the answer here is 14th B. Sometimes you may confuse with resistance welding, that resistance welding is a solid state welding, but no, diffusion welding is a solid state welding. 15th, in a welding process running for 10 minutes, so duty, this is the total running time, having duty cycle of 80%. So first you know what is duty cycle. So duty cycle equals to welding time upon welding time plus ideal time. Okay, so you should have to find ideal time, please find it, and the answer will be C. Here duty cycle is of 10 minutes, sorry, 80%, and total time is 10 minutes, right?